Hello viewers, in this tutorial I will show how to solve Instagram Reels add topics option not showing problem. Let's see how to solve this problem. Tap on hold Instagram, click on app info or I button, tap on force stop, tap on OK, tap on storage and cache, tap on clear storage, tap on delete. Now go to Instagram, click on search bar and search Instagram. Update Instagram app. Go to Instagram, click on search icon, click on plus icon, type your topics and click on arrow icon. Now add topics option showing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.